This factory produces over 5 million cigarettes a day. Here's how.
Every cigarette begins here, in carefully managed tobacco fields.
Selected tobacco seeds are started in controlled nurseries. Seedlings grow under precise light, water, and temperature control. After weeks in nurseries, plants are moved into the fields. Fields are irrigated and monitored until leaves reach maturity.
These leaves are ready now.
Fresh leaves move quickly to curing facilities. Heat-controlled curing removes moisture and develops flavor. Some varieties cure slowly, using natural airflow.
Oriental leaves are sun-cured for lighter aroma.
Once cured, leaves are bundled and stored. Storage conditions preserve quality until processing. Tobacco now enters the manufacturing facility.
Moisture looks correct.
Leaves are reconditioned for processing.
Stems are removed to prepare the leaf.
Tobacco is cut to precise dimensions.
Blends are carefully balanced for consistency.
Casing sauces add moisture and aroma.
The blend rests before cigarette making.
Paper and filters are prepared in parallel.
Filters are formed from cellulose fibers. Tobacco is formed into continuous rods. Filters are attached with exact alignment.
Each cigarette is cut to standard length.
Automated checks ensure consistency.
Finished cigarettes are grouped for packing.
Foil liners protect freshness.
Branded boxes are folded and sealed.
Retail packs are sealed and ready for cartons.
Sealed packs now move toward carton assembly. Cartons are formed automatically from flat blanks. Each carton receives a fixed number of packs. Cartons are closed and sealed for stability. Barcodes allow tracking through distribution. Tax stamps are applied under strict control.
Cartons are grouped into shipping cases.
Strong cases protect cartons during transport. Robotic systems handle repetitive packing tasks. Shipping cases are sealed for transport. Shipping labels route cases to warehouses. Cases are stacked onto pallets for storage. Automated palletizers ensure stable stacking. Wrapped pallets stay secure in transit.
Finished goods are stored until shipment.
Racked storage keeps inventory organized.
Inventory confirmed.
Orders determine when pallets move out.
Pallets are retrieved for loading. Goods are staged at the loading dock.
Pallets are loaded carefully into trailers.
Loads are secured to prevent shifting.
Trailer sealed.
Products leave the factory for distribution.
Shipments arrive at regional centers.
Pallets are unloaded for redistribution.
Orders are split for local delivery. Local trucks supply retail areas.
Retailers receive sealed cartons.
From farm to shop, the process is complete.